Want to run your scraping project smoothly, or do you receive bans even with a large pool of unique proxies and can't figure out what to do? Building a reliable proxy rotator is an answer. Hi and welcome to the Data Impulse channel. Today we are building a custom proxy rotator from scratch using Python. The proxy rotator automatically assigns another IP address to your request, sets timeouts and rotates user agent headers. In other words, it does everything to prevent bans and ensure your anonymity. In this video, we will create a rotator in the single file using Python, one of the top languages for web scraping. Start by downloading Python from its official website and running the command on the screen to install the requests library. Then, save a list of proxies into a text file. You can get your proxies on the Necessary Plans tab of your Data Impulse dashboard. If necessary, change the format. It's time to build a rotator. First, we bring in modules and adjust the default settings, such as rotating headers and switching to another proxy in case of error. Next, we define how proxies are stored and make our rotator read them from a text file. It's time to design a retry logic and go on to the Proxy Rotator class. This is the heart of a rotator, as it decides on whether to pick a proxy randomly or cycle through a pool, sets timeouts, retries again, tracks failures, and runs health checks. The following code allows us to run a rotator via command line. Finally, we create an entry point that starts the rotator. To run a rotator, use the command on your screen. You can also extend it and include additional flags like a health check to test your proxies or set a different number of retries. You can find the full code by the link in the description to this video. We didn't hard-code any credentials into the code, so you don't need to replace anything, except if you want to use another website for health check. Otherwise, it should be fast and easy for you to use this rotator. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and write in the comments section if you need to develop more custom tools. And see you soon!